And this was the first opportunity that we ever got to assess fixed and variable costs, and also payroll with regard to how they fell out per each program. So we got to assess the profitability or not of each program, and I think that really was an eye-opener for us, and particularly for our board members. You know, that we only earn about 25% of our total income, which means we raise 75%. And I think it gave the board a better appreciation for their role as fundraisers in the organization. We've become a more sophisticated organization, and I think the staff and our board members are speaking now in or engaging in larger thoughts and bigger ideas than previous to our involvement here. So I think that really speaks to the sustainability of the organization and the future of the organization, that we can get people sort of thinking about the future and you know, what's next for us.